Hey everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I'm your local realtor and credit repair specialist. Today I'm coming to you in my mobile office. I spend quite a bit of time in my car as a realtor driving around helping people find their dream home. With all that being said, I wanted to talk to you today about the pros and cons of renting versus buying a home. And what I always like to tell people is it really depends on your lifestyle. So let's cover a few of the pros for each. And then at the end of this video, you can kind of see where you fit in and what works best for your lifestyle. So for renting, if you plan on being in San Antonio or surrounding areas for less than 2 years, then renting is a good option for you. Another pro about this is it's really great for relocating and mobility. So if you're not sure about an area of town and you end up renting there and then change jobs or decide you want to move to another part of town, it's very easy to relocate every year when you're on a rent or a lease term. Another pro for renting is little to no maintenance. So if a pipe breaks or leaks or you have a clog in your drain or a light bulb goes out or any type of maintenance, as a renter, you're not responsible for it. You're responsible for reporting it to the property manager or the landlord, but they're the ones that are going to fix it, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. So those are some really top things to think about when you are trying to figure out where you're going to rent or buy. But please keep in mind, you have to have a roof over your head, right? So you want to make sure that you're putting your money what works best for you. So in terms of purchasing a home, there's so many pros. So let's start with equity. When you purchase a home, you have instant equity, you have an instant asset. And in San Antonio, we increase those values about 3 to 4% year over year. So if you're planning on staying in the area for longer than 2 years or longer, you will, if the market stays as it is, which it's showing good signs for continuing, you will increase value. You will have an increased asset and extra equity year over year. And you're paying money towards your asset, your mortgage. Another great thing about purchasing a home is a tax write-off. You get to write off all the interest that you pay on your mortgage year over year. It's a great tax deduction. Another great pro for purchasing a home is stability. As you guys have probably seen in my other videos, that was a big deal for me as a single mom, was creating a stable place for my son to go to the same middle school, the same elementary, to stay with the same friends. It created a really good stability for him and for our family. And then the last but not least, that's super important, that I want to take away this fear from people when purchasing a home. Things break. As a homeowner, that's just the way of life. As a renter, you experience it too. You just don't have to fix it. As a homeowner, you do have to fix it. But what I want you to remember is anything that you have to fix or cosmetically repair, like if you get new countertops or new flooring, those are all investments in your asset. You get money back when you go to sell your home. Any type of repair or fix, keep those receipts. They're important, but you get that asset, you get that money back when you go to sell your home. So you're not just throwing money away like, oh my gosh, the AC broke, we have to replace the AC. That's a huge asset. You put money into your home and you get money out when you go to sell it. You are keeping the value and increasing the value in your home. So those are some top things that I want you to think about. If you're on the fence of whether you rent or buy, I've put a calculator down in the description, so feel free to click that link. That is a mortgage calculator, or an affordability calculator is what they call it. So if you're looking at paying rent for $1,300 a month, go ahead and type in $1,300 in that affordability calculator, and then make sure that you put 3 to 3.5% down. That is all you need to purchase a home, and it will calculate how much home you can afford to purchase. If that is something that you feel you could afford or you want to move forward with, please feel free to call or email me. My email and phone number are right here below and also in the description. I would love to talk to you more about the possibility of renting or buying. Thank you so much, guys, and I look forward to talking to you later.